How to add music to WhatsApp status. Welcome to How to Doer. I'm Gogi from How to Doer. Today we're gonna talk about that how to add a music to your WhatsApp status of photo. Yes, you are listening right. A new feature has been just launched, and you can check by that. You don't need any app. You don't need to editing. You can just add a photo in your WhatsApp status, and after that you can just add music to it. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon. I don't gonna bother you now. Let's begin the tutorial. What we have to do, we have to go to the WhatsApp, and after that we have to go to the updates, click on this photo option, and after that we have to choose a photo, and after that we want to add a music. We have to click on this music option, and after that we can search a music over here, and if we want to check out any music from over here, and now you can listen to the music. Click on this, and after that you can set up according to your requirement, and after that you have to click on this done and publish this video. So that way you can easily push any photo status with audio. Yes, you are listening right. I'm Gogi from How to Doer. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share with your family and friend. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for get more videos like this. Bye bye for now.